EOD Airman. I am Chief Master Sergeant Van Hood, your EOD Career Field Manager. In my role, I work to restore our force's readiness by arming every EOD Airman with opportunities and resources that empower you to drive innovation and lead your fellow airmen. EOD is not for the weak of heart. Our career field is one of the most dangerous in the military, and our technicians regularly operate in the most unpredictable and complex environments. As the character of warfare continues to evolve, so do the challenges we face. And in order to successfully overcome these challenges, we must train, organize, and be ready for anything. In 2020, we released the EOD Strategic Concept 2035. It's a plan that outlines how EOD must prepare for the future fight. It describes our 5 lines of effort: restoring readiness, investing in technology, driving innovation, developing and retaining leaders, and building new and existing partnerships. In order to accomplish these lines of effort and get where we need to be in the next 15 years, we must leverage our greatest asset, you. As our boots on the ground, you are our technical experts in EOD. We rely on you to identify ways to improve our systems, our processes, and our equipment. We also rely on you to incorporate these advances at the base level because you are the driving force in our success across the full range of military operations, and innovation in the way we operate begins with you. Throughout your career as an EOD technician, you'll have numerous opportunities to develop your skill set and hone your capabilities as a member of the military's premier EOD force. But it is equally important for you to share your skills and insight with your fellow airmen. Each of you has the power to shape the trajectory of the EOD career field by staying plugged in and bringing forward creative ideas that benefit all of us. We are one team. We are stronger and smarter when we work together. Your technical expertise, innovative ideas, and decisive leadership are what postures the Air Force EOD community for the future. I am proud to be your EOD Career Field Manager, and I look forward to continuing to support the EOD community. Stay safe, stay sharp, and as always, lead the way.